I got the new AirPods, finally. Here's my old ones. They look like alright. It's just that the battery kind of dies super fast now because I've been using this for like 2 years straight. And, yeah, it's dying. So, I got new ones to go with my new phone, essentially. I didn't get the 14 because I have the 13. And I'm like, I'm gonna wait for new AirPods. But look at it. At least it's that, right? Ooh, it's so pretty. Dang, it's a lot of... Why is the box shedding though? It's like... Where's the Apple logo? AirPods. Ooh. I love that. I just wanted the MagSafe case too, because... Well... I don't actually use MagSafe. I was surprised you can charge it with the Apple Watch charger, and I have one. It's like right over there. But look at it, it's so nice. I hope it's the same one as this one. So let's open it. You gotta keep it all quiet so you can hear the little thing. Even though you probably hear my dad blasting his music because he likes karaoke. It's just... Oh, that was so quiet and smooth. Get it? Oh, I got it like... Oh, okay. Okay. Am I freaking out? Yes. Am I sick? No. Okay. I hope I don't drop him. I forgot they show you the paper first. Okay, let's look at the inside. I got engraved. Let's just talk about this before we talk about the papers. So we got RVN, that's my name. We got peace sign, because, well, I feel like I had to put something there, like 4. And then if you're wondering why V is highlighted, he's my bias.
Hi, what's your name?
Strawberry man. Yeah, let's look at the paper. So we got AirPods Pro, we got the nice little stuff. I'll be honest, I don't need to read any of these because I watched like 40 different review videos on it, but I didn't watch the unboxing, so this is actually new to me. Safety, regulatory, warranty here. The main reason why I bought AirPods wasn't just the MagSafe, but it's the fact I can find the case for once. It's like, I love the fact that these have Find My on them, but they only work with like the actual individual earbuds, and that doesn't count because I lose the case, not the actual earbuds. Like, how would I lose the earbuds? They're either in my ear or they're in the case. I don't know where else they would be. I mean, I'd still lose them a few times, but it's not like I'd lose them. So this is my engraving. Ooh. Let's see if there's anything else in the box. Got new ear tips, and then I got the charger cable. I think this is the same cable they always give out, so I'm just gonna leave it in here. And I assume this is for the ear tips. I love the extra small ones. I used to have the small ones, but I don't know if the extra small might fit me better. Just we'll never know. I mean, we can try it, but yeah. I also have a few accessories coming on too. So put this right here. They're like the same size. Actually, this one looks a bit smaller, like ever so slightly. Like, maybe. I can't tell. Okay, I think this is just ever so slightly bigger. Which is, to me, it's like a good thing. Barely. But, yeah. But, I love the lanyard loop. I got the accessory for this. Can't wait to set these up. I'm gonna have to switch phones for this. I'll be right back. Okay. I got accessories for this. Lanyard. Is this the one lanyard that they saw right now? Yes. Could I just bought like literally any other lanyard? Yes. But I kind of really like the clip because I just like to clip them onto my keys. So it makes pretty much a good sense of why I would choose this one, because I feel like this might be a little bit more useful than other lanyards, and it's not like I'm gonna buy 20 different lanyards. So I don't know how to open this. Is it... Do I see a tab? I don't know if I'm doing this right. I'm gonna take this out. Okay, hold on. Okay, there we go. Here's the loop. Ta-da! Ooh, I wanna go like... Why do I wanna put this on? I'm gonna put it on this way. Because if I do like... I think this is better. If I go up from the top hole to the bottom hole. I love how this looks. Like, this looks really good. Okay. Now, to bring my phone. So, this is my phone. It's a 13. Let's see. Ooh, I don't know how to fix that. I mean, it's reflecting off there, but I think you can still see it. What if I just... No, that doesn't do anything. I'm gonna leave this in the middle. It made a noise. Look at that. That's so pretty. Oh, and it makes a cute thing. I mean, I kind of know this stuff, but the volume, that's what I want. Ooh, I'm gonna love that one. I've heard that they really changed the inside of it, but not too much the outside, and I'm like, would I care about the outside? No. The inside. What am I talking about? There's a lot of new internals that makes them sound better and makes the noise canceling much better. And as you can tell, I don't have a quiet house. I'm pretty sure you could hear the karaoke. So, yeah. Okay, let's go compare the actual left earbuds. The right, I assume, is the same, so here you go. This is the old one, this is the new one. They have like a smaller vent. You know, I kind of don't like how you can actually feel the vent if you place it in a different way. There's more infrared stuff, I believe. Oh, they just moved it. It's a top now, it's not bottom. It looks pretty much the same. Oh, I think the controls. Oh, I thought they made it bigger or smaller. Right now I have the medium ones on here, so let's try it. I know a perfect song. Can't wait to try this one out. It says number 2. Oh, that's quiet. Is this the noise? Hold on. Oh, is this the adaptive transparency? Oh, I can hear myself really nicely. But it's like still quiet. Like, you know, I kind of like that. I don't know if I'll get used to it though. Okay. I saved this song because it's, look at it. Wow. Wow. Okay. That is really clean. Like, it gives me that it's like a sense of I don't even know how to explain it. It's like really, it's like they give Red Velvet a bath. I mean, I'm pretty sure they smell nice, but it's I mean, I'm sure they smell nice, but I mean that in the sense of like the music's, it's like really clean, it's crisp. Like you can hear it a lot better. I don't know if it's like placebo. Let me try this again with the old earbuds. Okay. This is the new one, this is the old one. I just realized it didn't connect. Okay. Same volume? About Can I listen to both at the same time? Hold on, can I do both? Oh, nice, okay. We got the left earbud is this one. The right earbud is the old one. So now I can listen to both. This is perfect, okay. I hear more separation of everything, like instrumentals, vocals, in the left side, which is the new ones. The right is like more together. Let me try a different song. Should stream after like, it's really good. Okay, it actually does sound better. Like, you'll be fine with just the normal AirPods, but this one, it's different. Is this bigger? And the case is ever so slightly. I feel like it's ever so slightly smaller. It looks smaller. I feel like it's just ever so slightly smaller, but I feel like it might also be the engraving that might be like tricking me. But yeah, this is my new AirPods. They look amazing. Oh, and they had there's less of the weird warnings. Love that. I'm gonna really love these AirPods. Like, this is really nice. And the fact that they pair well with my phone, and I can put them with my keys. Like, is it like this, right? I don't know how to use this clip. Do I just do that? Is that right? And then I can just like attach it to something. That's nice, actually though, I don't know how to, do I just like slide it in? I know it says I can do it like the traditional way where it's like tied up on against here. But I feel like I'm gonna use a clip more because I like to attach it to my keys. Oh yeah. I don't know if it's me, but this white is more white than this one. But I feel like this is like how it ages, because I have used the case. It's like it's been everywhere, so maybe the paint wore off. I probably did. But this is clean, bro, like clean. Oh, I hope you guys liked the video. Thank you for watching. New baby. Alright. See ya. Bye.